Hi, Veronica. Thanks for getting back. It's Alex here. So I've been going over your site. A couple of things to start off with is it's always better to have just one clear CTA to take people there. So, for instance, for view services, it takes people to another page, which drastically hurts the conversions. It's better to just have one button instead of learn more, like booking a call or getting in touch with someone on your team. Also, when the image switches, the animation reloads again, and that just like slows things down and it's quite distracting. So I understand that you guys work with organizations. Looks like you kind of focus on hiring as well. And about us, I wouldn't get into the about us right away. It's more important to instead first build competence and trust with reviews. If you guys have any video reviews or text reviews or have any featured in publications, I saw a couple. Yeah, like these brands, it's better to, if this is what you're featured in, put it above. And it's lacking in a lot of components. So there's a lot of components that can really beef up the page more, show a lot more authority, credibility, really get people to convert quicker and bring more people into your funnel as well, bringing them in. So whether it's, are you working with individuals, other companies, that's something to state clear, because my understanding is you guys are B2B, so you're trying to work more with organizations. So just clarifying that unique proposition as well in your header. There's no subheader, and it'd be better as well if you guys could have a VSL, a video as well. So these are just a few things that can really beef it up. I'm going to send my email as well, my YouTube channel. You can see I have some videos, some client work I've done as well, some results I've delivered for my clients. You can see some styles of pages I've done. I'm happy to share more as well. And let me know, please, if you'd like to discuss, if we can get on a meeting, on a call, let's say later this afternoon or tomorrow, if you can meet. Could you do, I see you're in US, can you do 2 or 3 p.m. EST? Let me know if today or tomorrow works for you. And yeah, looking forward to speaking and just improving this better as well. Cheers.